Alright, the new Cobra Class 4 arrived. Came on a truck, on a pallet, and I had the pallet hand trucked right to my door here. So let me start unpacking it and bring it to its new home. Hi guys, this is Vince Curie. I got my new Cobra Class 4 leather sewing machine, and I gotta tell you, it's heavy. The machine itself, the head weighs 145, and it comes in a tremendous box. I had to take it out of the box to get it up the steps because it was so big, you couldn't wrap your arms around it. I couldn't take it up with a hand truck either because it was so heavy hanging off the ends of the hand truck. All right, this base is solid steel, well made. Now these casters are unique. There's 4 casters, and what's unique about them is when the caster's engaged, there's teeth around here. In addition to locking the wheel, it locks the caster from rotating. All right. I'm going to mount everything now. I just wanted to show you how well everything's built. That's the servo motor with the reducer. Yeah, these are for the height adjustment on the table. These plates go into here. They go in here, and then this slides down into that, and then you have 4 bolts to secure it to the height you want. It comes with an assortment of screws, needles, bobbins, and thread. And I bought several rolls. Now, it comes with a sample of a stitch. Okay. All right, here's a sample of this sewn, and then here's the attaching sample of this sewn. It's a beast. It's a beast. And that's the hand wheel that I gotta put on, and that's the LED light.